Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bambisola Ajayi. Today we are going to be talking about my favorite AutoCAD commands, fillet and radius. Fillet or fillet, if you're feeling feisty or French, is used mainly to join or connect two separate lines together to form a corner. You can do this by simply selecting the fillet tool on the tab above, or you can use the fillet shortcut by typing F on your keyboard. Press enter, then select the first line, then the second line, and voila! Note, tap the spacebar or enter key again to re-engage the previous command and simply choose another two lines. Sometimes, however, you might want a rounded corner, not a straight one. To do this, type F, press enter, then type R for radius, press enter. Then select what radius you want the corner to have. In this case, I'll select 1. Then press enter and choose 2 lines. Boom, you have a rounded corner. As you can see, that corner has a 1-inch radius. Bonus tip: if you click 2 parallel lines with the fillet tool, you will get them to converge with an arc or semicircle. That's all folks, thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe for more delicious AutoCAD content.
Yeah, smash that!
Yeah!
Yeah!
This video was proudly sponsored by my mother's tuition payments. Thank you.